There is much more value on the inside than there is on the outside. Hi guys, this is Vaishnavi and welcome to my channel Alpha Meta, and you read the title right. This video is about bodies. Now let's jump straight into it, shall we? I feel like this is the most ridiculous thing that we have ever done to value ourselves based on how we look, or more specifically how our bodies look. And well, if you need to appreciate this, then please go ahead and tell me in the comment section, how does this crown thing look? Because I made it. You see how talented I am. I made this thing. Now if I was just basing myself on how my body looks and how others perceive my body looks, then this talent goes to waste. Bro, I just made a piece of jewelry with these hands, my bare hands. What is it with me making videos when I'm losing daylight? Okay, so the point is that there is this realization that happened, like, which blew my mind, and it made me realize our bodies are the least important things about ourselves. It's just a cover to make sure that all our organs are perfectly placed and it does not fall out. Now, do you still believe that you don't have enough value and it is your body that actually makes you worth existing? Then hear me out. Like, imagine this fabulous phone which has a crappy cover. Imagine this cell phone which is like 1.1 lakh rupees and it has a crappy cover which costs like 50 rupees. You look at the cover and you go like, ugh, that's bad. And then you look at the phone and you see the actual value. Do you think that phone should feel bad because they have a bad outer cover?
Nope.
Exactly. And the phone feels that it is valueless just because it has a crappy phone cover, while all along it was iPhone 13 Pro Max. Freaking iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yeah, if you guys are watching in the future and a much better version of those iPhones have released, then at the moment it is 13 Pro Max. I don't even know 13 Pro Max is there or not. Let's see. So yes, your body is the least important thing about you, especially when it comes to valuing yourself. Your body is the last thing that you should think about. They say teleporting objects is still possible today with machinery or even complicated objects, but it's not possible to do that with human beings, because teleporting is basically take out each and every aspect of that object, convert it into micrometer of energy, transfer it through air and reassemble it in the new place. You cannot do that with humans because we are complicated. Now if you teleport from Mumbai to Paris, there is a chance that the person who is traveling in Paris is a whole new person, because you cannot rearrange entire human being. And I'm not just talking about organs and skin, I'm also talking about your thoughts, your qualities, the way you are as a person, and your memories. That is something which cannot be even reassembled. Forget recreating it. So you see, there is much more value on the inside than there is on the outside. Even though it's okay to sometimes just decorate yourself with these pretty accessories like I have, but it is not everything. The pravachan is done. Baba Vaishnavi is going to take some rest and going to eat something because her tummy is growling, but it does not mean that she's going to go on a diet just to have a flat stomach. Although I would like a flat stomach, but a flat stomach will not determine my value. So okay, somebody's at the door. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel because I make new videos every Wednesdays and Fridays. And I will see you guys on next time, which is a Friday. And this is Alpha Meta signing off. Peace. And remember, your body is the last thing you should think about when you're valuing yourself. Bye.